Hey folks, want to invite you to our June 2020 Las Vegas workshop. This time around, we're having our workshops in June 13th and 14th, Saturday and Sunday. We normally have workshops from the Morales Method in November, December, but this year, 2020, will be in Las Vegas in June. And this time around, Sharon Oshita and I will be heading up a 2-day workshop titled SI Joint Evaluation and Pelvic Floor Work. So Sharon is going to take up the first day where she will be showing her method of SI joint, sacroiliac joint evaluation, and using muscle energy techniques in order to bring resolution of any issues, any findings, in order to help you help your clients with any SI joint issues. The second day, I will be coming in and showing how I work with the pelvic floor. Now, the pelvic floor has been really interesting. I really did a lot of focus and study of it in 2019, and I had some really cool insights that I want to share with you in this one-day workshop. We'll be working with really the kind of nitty-gritty, kind of detail areas of the pelvic floor, such as obturator internus, pubococcygeus, and coccygeal areas and those territories. What I've found is that I've had some pretty good success working pelvis, but there was always this kind of missing piece, and I started to incorporate pelvic floor work with my clients and have had some great results, so I want to share that with you. Incidentally, the pelvic floor work is not internal. We're not going to be doing any internal work at all. It's all external, and the workshop will require you to wear either shorts or leggings. We won't be doing any undress draping work. It'll all be through clothes such as shorts or leggings, so just so you know. So that's it, folks. We're going to have it again at the European School of Massage Therapy in the north part of Las Vegas. And, you know, Sharon and I really love going out there because we love the participation, the insight, just this wealth of knowledge that happens in the room when everyone comes into our Vegas workshops. It's one of our favorite locations to go to. So hope to see you there. As usual, we have early bird specials, so the sooner you sign up, the better. And that's it. Hope to see you there, folks. Thanks again.